Okay, I don't know about anyone else, but sometimes when I'm out running errands, I just like to pull through like the Home Depot or Lowe's parking lot just so I can drive by the nursery and oogle at all the flowers. Anybody else do that? Just me? And if I see something good, then I know I should stop. Let's go in, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener. So sometimes on the way home, drive by Home Depot or Lowe's, or if I'm out a little bit further away from my house, I'll drive by my local nurseries and see if I see anything that looks pretty. And today I see something that looks pretty. So I am headed in. I have two projects I want to work on. I have a fairy garden I've been wanting to put together. Bright spring colors. I think it'll be beautiful. And then I also have this fabulous pot that looks like an old kitchen sink. It even has the spigot coming out, or the faucet part. And so I was thinking about filling it with blue balloons, which is kind of hard, but in our area, they do have blue bonnets for sale right now. And so I'm going to see if there's any blue bonnets available and any other similar blue flowers. And I would love to fill the inside of that sink with all blue flowers. So let's go see what they have. Okay, this is the pot I picked out from Home Depot. It's $12. I picked up a flat of Alyssum. I got some sweet little violas, a couple different colors, some ornamental cabbage. These are lavender scabiosa, or also pincushions. A little bit of Dianthus for pop of color. Some more violas, super sweet. Even some white ones. And I picked up this Margerite Daisy. Thought it really looked like a little fairy garden. And then if you guys remember, I did a video about a shopping trip to the Dollar Tree. So I've got some different stands that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. I'm gonna mess around with that. And they had quite a few fairy options. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull through this. I'm gonna utilize some of this in my sweet little fairy garden. All right, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed those sweet spring ideas I put together with the fairy garden. Most of the accessories are from the Dollar Tree, and then that cool little kitchen sink pot filled with all blooms that will bloom blue. Blooms that will bloom blue. And so I'll try to post an update on my Instagram account so you can see what that looks like as it starts to bloom. Ooh, Buffy sees somebody. Oh, here comes another puppy too. Other than that, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It really helps my channel out, keeps me going, and keeps it easier for me to post new videos for you guys. As a reminder, she's a mad gardener or a decorator, anything else that she wants to be.